Turkey has turned to its own military-industrial complex for solutions. Once a client and now an exporter, Turkey's defense exports have soared over the last few years, and it now feels it has a competitive edge.
We are on the table not as a seller, but as a partner.
Imagine a scenario where a swarm of silent, deadly drones takes to the skies, capable of striking with pinpoint accuracy, anytime, anywhere. How will these unprecedented powers shape conflicts, intelligence, and surveillance in the coming years? Turkey has built the world's largest army of armed drones. These drones, known as BAKAR's TB2s, have been used in conflicts all over the world, from Syria to Ukraine. But what makes these drones so deadly? And why is Turkey investing so heavily into them? In this video, we'll take a closer look at Turkey's army of armed drones. Stick around to find out. Turkey's remarkable industrial transformation. Over the past 22 years, Turkey has undergone a remarkable industrial transformation, elevating its heavy industry sector to a scale comparable to that of France, Spain, and the United Kingdom. What's even more astonishing is Turkey's assertive pursuit of the world's sixth position in arms exports, surpassing Israel, a major player in the realm of multi-purpose military drones. Turkish-made drones, particularly the effective Bayraktar TB2, are now in the arsenals of nearly 35 countries. These drones have demonstrated their efficacy in various conflict zones, including Ukraine, where they are even equipped with engines produced domestically. This remarkable achievement in arms manufacturing and heavy industry can be traced back to President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's vision, where he laid out when he assumed the position of Prime Minister in 2003. It prompts us to delve into the intriguing questions of how Turkey managed to assemble the world's largest armed drone fleet, and why these drones have gained such widespread popularity in contemporary times. Turkey's position in global military rankings. The Turkish military ranks as the 13th largest globally, yet it would stand much higher, perhaps 6 or 7, if not for its lack of direct nuclear capabilities, relying instead on its NATO membership and US nuclear bases on its territory for nuclear deterrence. These places any non-nuclear involved military action in Europe, with a mandatory encounter against Turkey's armed forces before the might of the US military. Remarkably, Turkey, a predominantly Muslim nation, is known for robust domestic arms production and wide-scale exports, including diverse military equipment such as tanks, infantry carriers, helicopters, frigates, and an extensive drone fleet, boasting over 200 TB2 and TB3 drones, along with sophisticated indigenous models like TIE Anchor and TIE Accenture. To provide some context, the US possesses a drone fleet consisting of merely 10 aging US-made Reapers, underscoring the significance of Turkey's capabilities. Despite the TB2 and TB3 drones' price range of $5 to $8 million, they incorporate advanced technologies and exhibit a high degree of complexity. Turkey's military drone manufacturer, BAKAR. Before we delve into the specifics of Turkey's top military drones, it's worth noting that the engineering genius behind this entire success story is a single university graduate. This individual, Selçuk Bayraktar, formulated a master's thesis that showcased an algorithm capable of landing an unmanned helicopter in rugged terrain, even vertically on a wall. In 2005, at the age of 26, Selçuk graduated in electrical engineering from Turkey's esteemed top university. 2 years later, he earned a master's degree from the University of Pennsylvania and eventually abandoned a doctoral program at MIT, as he believed he had conceived the next frontier of cutting-edge warfare technology. Fortunately, Selçuk's family owned Bayraktar Makina, a company established by their father in 1984, initially focusing on automobile components. In pursuit of Turkey's domestic car manufacturing aspiration, and company shifted its attention to unmanned aerial vehicles. Selçuk Bayraktar stands as the pivotal figure behind Turkey's most advanced drones and related technologies. Economically, military drones constitute the primary contributor to Turkey's military-industrial complex export earnings. If you're enjoying it so far, hit the subscribe button. Now, let's continue. Turkey's drone export success. In 2022, Turkey achieved an unprecedented milestone, with drone export reaching a record $4.4 billion, surpassing the annual defense budget of several European countries. This robust drone export performance contributed to Turkey's total arms exports for the year, exceeding $10 billion. Furthermore, projections indicate that Turkey is on track to secure over $7 billion in drone deals by the end of 2023, positioning it in direct competition with major players like China and the United States in the global drone export market. According to the Atlantic Council, Turkey hosts around 2,000 companies engaged in the weapons manufacturing sector. Notably, in August of the same year, Turkey inked a significant $4 billion deal centered on the local manufacturing of TB2 and TB3 drones in Saudi Arabia. The country has also established a range of deals with numerous other nations, with contract values spanning over tens of millions to billions of dollars. Let's delve into the details of some of Turkey's top and most widely exported drones. Leading the way is the Bayraktar TB2, a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed for remotely controlled or autonomous flight operation. It operates under the monitoring and control of a ground control station, including weapon deployment capabilities. In November 2021, the TB2 drone reached a significant milestone, accumulating 400,000 global flight hours, solidifying its position as the flagship of Turkish military. The TB2 had its inaugural flight in August 2014, and by December 18, 2015, a video showcased a test missile launch from the Bayraktar TB2, followed by tests involving laser-guided bombs. In contrast to the older TB1 version, which relied on imported components and technologies, such as Austria's Rotax 912 engines and Canadian or German optoelectronics, the TB2 and all its components are domestically manufactured in Turkey. The Bayraktar TB2 boasts a blended wing body design with an inverted V-tail structure, utilizing a variable pitch two-blade pusher propeller for thrust. The propeller is situated between the tail booms and is powered by an internal combustion engine located within the fuselage. The platform is modular, featuring detachable main components such as the wings, tail boom, and tails, primarily constructed from carbon fiber composite with machined aluminum joints. Fuel storage relies on bladder tanks, with solenoid valves to balance fuel consumption. The ground control station for the TB2, known as the TV2, is based on a NATO-spec shelter unit equipped with cross-redundant command and control system. The Bayraktar TB3, Turkey's naval drone. Looking ahead, the next generation Bayraktar drone is the Bayraktar TB3, an evolution of the Bayraktar TB2 manufactured by BAKAR. Despite the ongoing conflict, the TB3 surpasses the TB2 in sophistication, boasting a short-range landing and takeoff capabilities, designed for deployment on Turkey's amphibious assault ship, the TCG Anadolu. The TB3 serves as the naval counterpart of TB2. It is powered by an engine developed by Turkish company Tusaj Engine Industries. The TB3 drone features dimensions of 8.35 meters in length, 2.6 meters in height, and a wingspan of 14 meters. With a maximum takeoff weight of 1,450, payload capacity of 280, and a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. Avionics options include interchangeable EOIRD LD, imaging and targeting sensor systems, or a multimode AESA. BAKAR's fighter drone AVKelma. Meanwhile, Turkey's prominent drone manufacturer BAKAR is rapidly advancing with the AVKelma, a fighter drone that completed its maiden flight in 2022. The KelmaKelma measures 14.6 meters in length, boasts a 9.7 meter wingspan, offers an impressive range of 925, an operational altitude exceeding 10, and a top speed of around 740. Equipped with stealth technologies, the fighter drone's design minimizes radar cross-section and features an internal weapons bay. Advanced attributes encompass an active electronically scanned array (AESA) antenna, enabling line of sight and beyond line of sight control, along with full autonomous takeoff and landing. Powering the KelmaKelma is the subsonic A1322F engine, produced by the Ukrainian firm AVKelma Progress. The KelmaKelma is expected to carry an array of weaponry, including precision-guided munitions, air-to-air missiles, and cruise missiles manufactured by Turkish company. Additionally, Turkey boasts other formidable drones like the TAI Axinger and TAI Anka, developed by Turkish Aerospace Inc., exclusively for the Turkish Armed Forces. These drones are recognized for their advanced capabilities, speed, and lethality. Can Turkey make it into the top 3 global drone makers and sellers? Share your thoughts in the comments. I hope this video has been informative and thought-provoking. If you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. Thanks for watching.